Your home is officially outdated, and you probably didn't even realize it until this moment. Welcome to the 2026 Home Reset, where we turn daily struggles into a completely frictionless life. I've spent months tracking down 28 genius inventions that solve the exact problems you didn't even know you had. If you're ready for a space that finally manages itself, you need to see these. Starting with the first 7 essentials for a smarter kitchen. Your kitchen is officially behind the times. Welcome to the 2026 Reset. Here are 7 essentials to make your kitchen life frictionless. Starting with... This electric jar sealer is your ultimate 2026 home reset essential. All you have to do is rinse your jar, leave about an inch of space at the top, and let this powerful machine do all the heavy lifting for you. It creates a professional-grade airtight vacuum seal in just a matter of seconds. Just listen to that incredibly satisfying pop sound. That is the sound of total freshness guaranteed every single time you use it. That annoying gap between your stove and the counter, it's a total magnet for grease, crumbs, and hidden bacteria. It is finally time to stop that mess for good in 2026. These heat-resistant silicone gap covers are incredibly easy to trim for a custom fit, and they snap right into place for a clean, seamless look. Now you can cook in total comfort without worrying about spills. They are dishwasher safe and make your post-cooking cleanup a total breeze. Turn that wasted space on top of your stove into a high-end spice rack instantly. This magnetic stove shelf snaps on in a split second with powerful built-in magnets that stay secure. Absolutely no installation or tools are required for this. It is sturdy, aesthetic, and keeps all your essential kitchen spices exactly where you need them while you are busy cooking up a storm. Fix your messy cabinets with this slide-out sink organizer. It is specifically engineered to fit around your plumbing. This allows you to maximize every single inch of hidden storage. No more digging through cluttered bottles. You get smooth, easy access to everything. Your cleaning supplies stay right at your fingertips. Stop wasting time wiping up stagnant water behind your sink. This silicone faucet mat drains automatically back into the basin. It keeps your countertop dry and spotless. No more worries about hidden mold. It even doubles as a handy station for soap and sponges. This keeps your entire sink area organized and clean. Struggling with stubborn, airtight lids is officially over. This robotic auto jar opener does all the heavy lifting for you. It works with just one simple touch. This is the perfect tool for seniors. It is also great for anyone dealing with hand pain. Watch it work its magic on the toughest jars in your pantry. Ditch those bulky racks that steal your counter space. This stainless steel roll-up rack fits almost any sink. It rolls away in seconds when you are done. Use it for air drying your heavy dishes. It also works for rinsing fresh fruit. You can even use it as an extra prep station during cooking. The kitchen is just the start. Let's tackle the rest of your home maintenance. Stop scrubbing your bathroom on your hands and knees. This electric spin scrubber does the hard work for you. It features multiple brush heads for every corner. Watch it blast through soap scum and grime in seconds. Cleaning your shower is now effortless and satisfying. Dealing with pet hair on your sofa is a nightmare. This Chom Chom pet hair remover is the fastest solution available. No sticky tapes or batteries are required. Just a few quick swipes and your furniture looks brand new. It is an absolute must-have for every pet owner. Don't throw away your favorite pilling sweaters. This heavy-duty fabric shaver gives your clothes a fresh start. It safely removes lint and fuzz from furniture too. The powerful motor works quickly without damaging the fabric. It is the easiest way to restore your wardrobe. Sanitize your entire home without using harsh chemicals. This multi-purpose steam mop kills bacteria on floors and carpets. The high-heat steam dissolves grease and grime instantly. It is safe for kids and pets alike. Your floors will be spotless and truly clean. Cleaning window blinds is usually a tedious chore. This blind cleaner brush clears dust in one single swipe. The microfiber sleeves grab every particle from both sides. It works on almost any type of horizontal blind. Save time and keep your air quality much better. Stop using rough cloths on your expensive electronics. This screen cleaning spray kit removes fingerprints without any scratches. It is perfect for TVs, monitors, and smartphones. The solution is ammonia-free and safe for all coatings. Enjoy a crystal clear view on all your devices. Blockages in your shower drain lead to expensive plumber bills. This gutter guard hair catcher stops the problem before it starts. It catches every single hair without slowing down the water flow. Installation takes just a few seconds. Protect your plumbing and save your money. Maintenance is done. Now let's turn your home into a high-comfort sanctuary. Stop letting cold air ruin your comfort and increase your heating bills. This door draft stopper seals the gap under your door instantly. It blocks out drafts, dust, and even unwanted noise. The installation is simple and fits almost any door size. Keep your rooms warm and your energy costs low all winter long. Waking up in a dark room causes unnecessary morning anxiety. This sunrise alarm clock mimics a natural morning sun to wake you up gently. The light gradually brightens before your alarm goes off. It helps regulate your sleep cycle and improves your overall mood. Start your day feeling refreshed instead of exhausted. Enjoy your favorite scents without the danger of an open flame. This candle warmer lamp uses heat to melt wax from the top down. It releases a cleaner and stronger fragrance throughout your entire home. There is no smoke, no soot, and no fire hazard to worry about. It also makes your luxury candles last twice as long. Stop letting annoying light leaks ruin your deep sleep. These magnetic blackout strips seal the edges of your curtains perfectly against the wall. They eliminate those glowing gaps that keep you awake at night. Installation is simple peel and stick with no tools required. Transform any room into a total blackout cave for better recovery. Stop your washing machine from dancing across the floor and making loud noises. These anti-vibration pads absorb the shock and keep the machine perfectly steady. They also raise the height for easier cleaning underneath. They protect your expensive flooring from scratches and scuffs. Peace and quiet finally returns to your laundry room. Stop fumbling in the dark to find your clothes every morning. These motion sensor lights provide instant brightness exactly when you need it. They are completely wireless and stick to any surface with built-in magnets. The battery lasts for months and recharges via USB. It is the easiest way to add premium lighting to any dark corner. Dry air during winter leads to cracked skin and restless nights. This humidifier with a built-in night light balances your room's moisture perfectly. It helps you breathe easier and prevents dry throat issues. The ultra-quiet operation makes it perfect for your bedside table. Stay hydrated and comfortable throughout the entire night. Finally, let's wrap up with the smart tools that upgrade your entire lifestyle. The days of fumbling for your house keys are officially over. This Fingerprint Smart Deadbolt grants you entry in less than a second. You can also generate temporary passcodes for guests or family members right from your phone. It fits into your existing door setup with zero professional help needed. Experience total peace of mind with keyless security. Stop wasting time searching through messy containers and drawers. This Bluetooth label maker lets you organize your entire home directly from your smartphone. Design custom labels for your kitchen, office, or kids' playroom in seconds. It uses thermal printing so you never have to buy ink refills. Everything in your home finally has its own perfect place. Standard laundry baskets are bulky and impossible to store. This collapsible laundry basket solves that problem by folding completely flat when not in use. Just pop it open when needed and tuck it away behind your machine after. It's the ultimate space saver for modern apartments. Stop risking back pain when moving heavy furniture. These heavy-duty sliders allow you to glide sofas and beds across the floor effortlessly without leaving a single scratch. Just tilt the furniture, slide them under the legs, and push. Rearranging your home is now a one-person job. Losing your wallet, keys, or remote is the ultimate daily frustration. These item finders sync with your phone to track your essentials in real time. Just open the app and follow the directions or play a loud sound to find them instantly. Never spend another minute searching for missing gear. Stop touching dirty bin lids while cooking. This motion sensor trash can opens automatically with just a wave of your hand. It seals in odors and keeps your kitchen looking hygienic and modern. It's a small upgrade that makes a massive difference. Finally, measuring long distances is now a one-click job. This digital laser tape measure gives you 100% accuracy and calculates area automatically. The bright backlit screen is easy to read even in dark corners. It's the professional tool every homeowner needs for their next DIY project.